Do you know many people are having trouble with the display error on their Philips PerfectDraft? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Detach tap unit. First, detach the tap unit from the keg to access the necessary components. Step 2. Clean tap unit. Next, clean the tap unit thoroughly with warm water to remove any blockages or residues. Step 3. Reinstall tap. Once cleaned, reinstall the tap unit onto the keg, ensuring it is securely and properly seated. Step 4. Try new keg. If the line remains, replace the current keg with a new one equipped with a fresh tube. Step 5. Seek assistance. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance to resolve the problem. After following these steps, your Philips PerfectDraft should be working perfectly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.